music because there is crocodiles under this river. Okay, don't stand up, don't put your hands outside. Oh, everyone, now we are going to the longest river in the world. I think we need 2 days or 3 days to finish the tour, okay? Oh, everyone, look, over here is the jungle entrance. Can you see what is that? This is the mother elephant and the baby elephant here. The baby elephant is learning how to use his trunk here. And he's still learning the rest. You get what's already. Oh, look, the other side of the waterfall. That is the brother elephant. He really like to shower. And remember to shower too long, you will have many wrinkles. Oh, this is Father Elephant. Hello, Mother. Oh, no. I don't want to get wet. Please don't. No. He always plays joy for us. He's coming again. Oh, everyone, now we are entering the temple. This is a very old temple in this jungle. And here have a big spiders. Look, these two. Oh, they can jump over 20 feet. If they jump, they will jump over us because we are just 10 feet away. And look, up ahead is the elephant and the king cobras. Do you like the snakes? If you like the snakes, you can look at the left-hand side. Look, this is the biggest one. I don't like the snakes. They can go very fast. It's the poisonous snakes in this temple. I hate them. Oh, yeah, we left the temple. They can catch us. Ooh, what is that? Wow, it's crocodile. Everyone, look. These crocodiles are very, very hungry. Don't put your hands outside. Because they call us dim sum, you know. Don't put your hands outside with that dim sum. Oh, everyone! Look, this place is a campsite of the Professor Potter. We can visit the professor here. Wow, so many good. There's so naughty. And remember, don't make noise like a banana, otherwise they will eat you, okay? Professor will be very angry when they come back. Oh wow, there's so many animals here. Can you see them? What is that in front of us? Can you see? Yeah, that is zebra here. Oh, everyone, do you know the difference between the male zebra and female zebra? No? Let me tell you, this one, the first one is male zebra, that is white with black stripes, okay? And the second one is female zebra, that is black with white stripes. Okay, got it. Next time to do the difference. Let's go! Let's go! Say hello to us. We'll go there. Oh, what is that under the water? Wow, it's rainbow! Oh, they look very big! Oh, see this one! Oh! Come on, what's the rainbow? What's that? Oh, look! These five people, they jump on the boy, they saw the hippos. Wow, you guys are suffering. But do you think I need to save them? Anyone want to stay here to trade away for them? Do you want to stay here? No, I want to stay here. Okay, bye-bye, good luck to you. Maybe I will save you next time. Oh no! Shh, everyone, look. This place has many skulls here. I know, this place has many headhunters. Oh, this has come from the children, so everyone keep quiet. What's happened? What's happened? Oh my God! Oh, let me hold me! Protect your head! It's okay. Oh, we are safe now. Everyone, are you okay? Anyone get hurt? No? Oh, it's okay. That's good. That's good. Oh, we're safe now. Let's go. We can go in back to the door now and finish our tour. Now they can't stop us this time. No more headhunter, no more crocodiles. Let's go! I don't want to get wet. Oh, it's okay. This place has got a water and got a fire. Oh, why? Why did it blow down? It's okay. Maybe we can go back. No, okay, I'm going back. No. missing, right? Can you hear that? What is that? Oh, it's baby elephant again. Before we go back, let's say bye-bye to the baby elephant. Baby elephant here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And remember, keep your hands up in the boat, okay? Oh, we're ready to go home now. Let's go, turn. Oh, I'm scared. And remember, keep remain seated until I completely stop the boat there. And my boat only have two XC, one in the middle, one at the back. Remember, don't close my window. If you close the window, you will become the gorilla, and I will send you back to the jungle and eat banana. Go home. Bye. Okay, my boat has stopped. Bye bye.